Assalamu alaikum learners and welcome to the second lesson of science. Today is Monday 12th of October 2020 and the value of the month is affection. Affection means a feeling of liking or care for someone or something. So in this lesson students you will be able to learn to distinguish between living and non-living things. Verify what living things need to survive. Here are your keywords. On number 1 we have grow, number 2 breathe, number 3 reproduce, number 4 move, number 5 nutrients. All of these are things that living things do. Let's review what we have studied earlier. All the living things do certain things to stay alive, like they are called processes of life. Animals, including humans, do these things too. Plants do them too, but they do it in a different way. Can you think of what are these things? Some of them that living things do, but non-living things cannot. Are you alive? Think for a moment. Yes, we all are alive. What do we do that let us know that we are alive? Do all living things need shelter? Think of these questions before we go on. Life processes. Every living thing go through different life processes. All living things move. This is the first characteristic of a living thing. Animals move around to get from place to place. Plants grow and turn towards the light. Can you describe some movements of animals and act them out? Think of different ways living things move. Let's have a look at this example. A hare runs to escape from danger. A sunflower plant moves towards the light of the sun. Let's have a look at the next characteristic of a living thing. All the living things respire. What do you understand from the word respire or respiration? Yes, respiration means to breathe. So all the living things breathe in and out air. Plants and animals use oxygen, which is in the air, to turn their food into energy. These are some of the examples. Mammals, they breathe through their nose and mouth. Plants, they also use air to breathe. Especially the green plants, they make their food with the help of the light of the sun. There is another characteristic of living things. All living things can grow. Animals grow from babies to adult. Seeds grow into plants. Can you think of a plant life cycle? Recall of animal and human life cycles we have studied earlier and try to make your own plant life cycle. These pictures show us different examples of growth. A chick grows inside the egg and it's ready to come out. And then it changes into an adult chicken through different stages of its life. A bamboo plant can grow up to 3 centimeters every hour. Life process. This is another process, another characteristic of living thing. All living things can reproduce. Animals have young. Plants produce seed from which new plants grow. What do you understand by reproduction? Yes, reproduction is another word for reproduce. That means making more of itself. Here is another characteristic. All the living things need nutrients. What do you understand by the word nutrients? Nutrient means food and water. Food and water is taken by all the living things. Food is eaten to provide energy to live. Green plants make their own food using the light of the sun. Here are some pictures showing us how different living things take food. Some animals eat plants, some animals eat other animals. Bear is an animal that eats both, just like people do. Green plants make their own food using the energy from the sun. Here is your resource book, page 6. Answer this page on your resource. Let's see if you can solve this worksheet using the link below. Answer what are the basic needs of a human being. And then here's some enjoyment in time. Answer this and let's talk about it in the next class. Enjoy and have fun. I'll see you next week with an interesting new topic. Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye bye.